University.
I will share this recording with all of you, like the way I did it last time. Uh, I don't know if you have seen that, but I can share that recording again with you if you don't have that. And students who have missed the session, the last session also, they can watch it. They can get their certificates as well. So, Shilpi, if you want, we can have a call probably after this to just explain how it can be done.
Sure, sure. I'll do that.
Okay. Great. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. Today we are going to talk about
You have a few students messaging that they're unable to join.
okay.
Yeah, so if you can please
I
check
think
on that.
there are so many students who are joining. Maybe there are too many of them are joining, so they must be waiting in the waiting lobby. Sharmila is giving them access one by one.
I have shared again to him the link which you have given, direct link. So,
Sure. Sure. I think they should be able to join because all of us have used the same link. Okay. So let's understand a little bit more about it. Just want to understand the audience, whoever are here. I'll stop presenting this right now. Okay. So if you could just switch on your videos if you want to, and maybe I would want to understand, if you're a student, if you are a faculty, if you're from management, and really have some ideas. So just want to quickly understand few aspects of it and what is that you are expecting from this workshop, so that I can drive the workshop accordingly.
can you come again, please?
Okay. Uh, which language is more comfortable, Shilpi, for everybody? Hindi or English? Or mix can be there?
It,
English?
it can be mixed. It can be mixed.
Mix. Okay. So,
English.
मेरे को सिर्फ यही समझना है कि whoever is joined, maybe you can start with I'll take names now. If you can just unmute yourself or maybe you can come on camera also. Just want to understand कि भाई आपकी requirement क्या है, आपकी expectations क्या है इस workshop से. So the first person I can see in my list is Mr. Anil Kumar Bhatnagar. I can see his video on as well. Sorry, Mr. Bhatnagar, to point you out the first time. I'm
Yeah.
really sorry, but I could find you, the one who is so prompt to switch on your camera and be there. So I thought to invite you for the first time. Thank you so much for being there.
Uh, Thank you very much, sir.
You can just call me Anshav. I think we're almost the same age, so you can just call
Yeah,
me Anshav.
yeah, yeah. I am basically a student of M Pharma Pharmacology in final year.
Okay.
Yeah, even I am also
Oh,
I am running my own pharmaceutical company since last 15
okay.
years. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I just seen your message. So I am the person who always want to learn things from where I get the opportunity. So that's why I'm
Very
attending your
nice.
program. From your program, I can extract many things as far as business model is concerned, which will definitely
Right.
help in my
How?
strengthen my business.
Very nice. Very nice. So, are you part of Oriental University? You're doing your
Yeah,
M
yeah, yeah,
Pharma
yeah.
from there?
No,
Okay.
I am the
Very
part
nice.
of Oriental University. I am a student. Matlab, at the age of 57, I am doing my further study. I did my
Uh,
graduation in pharmacy in long back in 1986. Then I thought I did MBA. Then now I thought that I should go for my post graduation in my field where I did my graduation. So I am the student
Very
of
nice.
Oriental University, a final year student.
Yes,
Shilpi ji,
Mr.
I
Anshay.
think this is credibility to you guys that you are bringing such experts or experienced people as well in your PhD programs. I mean, our master's program. It's really, really great.
Yeah. Excuse me, I'm just coming. My battery is down. So I'm just
No
connecting
problem.
my laptop with the battery.
Sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure,
So within
sure.
minutes,
Okay,
I'm coming back.
absolutely. We'll be waiting
Yeah.
for you.
Yes.
Okay, so the next person whom I can see on my screen is Khushbu Soni. Khushbu, can you unmute yourself? Maybe come on camera and just
Yes,
share
sir.
what is that you want to learn from this workshop.
Sir, I want to learn from this workshop how to work a business model for effective in marketplace, and I want to learn to grow in business world as well as improve my knowledge and credibility, and how to how to enter in a business world through the business model, our knowledge, and improve my personal skills also.
वेरी नाइस। आपके पास कुछ आइडिया है दिमाग में जो आप सोच रहे हो कि इसके बारे में शायद कुछ बिजनेस किया जा सकता है? कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जो आप
Yes,
सॉल्व करना
sir.
चाहते हो? कौन
Yes,
सी
sir.
है वो?
Also, I have an idea, but I don't I don't know how to improve my idea and in business models also, and lots of confusion, lots of questions in my mind.
डोंट वरी, इस वर्कशॉप के बाद आपके बारे में मन में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगा. You will be absolutely comfortable. You will be actually designing your business model canvas in this training itself. So you don't have to do anything beyond it. So if you follow the steps in the last 10 minutes, we will actually make your business model canvas. So if you have an idea, keep that up, keep that in your mind. We'll do some exercises at the end.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, definitely.
don't worry. Don't worry.
Yes.
And I will personally review that as well. I mean, whomsoever I can get some time. So, and rest other people can definitely connect with Shilpi ma'am and reach out to me. We can help you out personally at that level.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Always.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Khushbu. This requires a lot of courage to come out open in such forums. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. Okay, so the next person I see on my screen is Rohit Jaswal. Rohit, are you there? You can unmute yourself. You can show your come up on camera and share about your expectations.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, sir, I'm here to it's my dream to open like my own business.
Okay.
Okay, so I am here to learn about more business, how more business models works and importance about it.
आपके फैमिली में कोई बिजनेस करता है? I mean, are you from a business family or from a service class family?
No, मेरे रिलेटिव से वो बिजनेस करता है, बट मेरे फैमिली में ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो बिजनेस करता है अभी.
आपकी फैमिली में से कोई नहीं कर रहा है. कोई
नहीं.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपके मन में कुछ आइडिया है अभी दिमाग में या आइडियाज भी नहीं है अभी?
नहीं सर, मेरा मतलब मोस्टली कंफर्म है कि मुझे क्लॉथिंग बिजनेस के साथ जाना है. कपड़े का जो मार्केट रहता है उसी में जाना है.
राइट. ओके, वेरी गुड. तो रोहित, आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे उसको बहुत ध्यान से कीजिएगा. मैं कोई लेक्चर नहीं देने वाला हूँ. I am going to do a practical session. So whatever I will be telling you, it will be giving you some insights, some thought process, how to create a business model which is sustainable and scalable. That is more important. आप कम एफर्ट्स में ज्यादा से ज्यादा कैसे बेटर बिजनेस कर सकते हो वो सिखाया जाएगा. और सबसे बड़ी बात, जब आपके पास सिर्फ एक आइडिया है, उस आइडिया को बिजनेस मॉडल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दैट एज वेल एंड विल डू एक्सरसाइजेस. So keep finding some ideas in your mind, and all of you others who are listening, keep one idea in your mind or two ideas. Better to keep the best one, and we will do that idea, convert that idea into a business model today with this business model canvas exercise. Okay, so the next person I see on my screen is Neha Hedav. Neha, could you unmute yourself and maybe come on camera to share your expectations?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Neha.
सर, मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि मैं अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ओपन करना चाहती हूँ. तो मैं उससे रिलेटेड मेरे ये, बट उसको श्योर नहीं हूँ कि वो आइडिया क्लियर है या नहीं.
ओके, सो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री किस चीज में करना चाहते हो? कुछ सोचा है आपने?
फार्मेसी में फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स.
फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स. वेरी नाइस। तो अनिल जी के साथ आप काफी इंस्पायर्ड हो या साथ में आप कुछ काम कर सकते हो। So there is something called collaborations in the industry, which we will discuss about it if time permits. But बिजनेस मॉडल कैनवस एक ऐसा टूल है जिससे आपके पास अगर कुछ भी नहीं हो, सिर्फ एक A4 शीट का पेपर हो, तो भी आप अपना पूरा बिजनेस मॉडल डिजाइन कर सकते हो। This is how simple it is, and that is most crucial. Unfortunately, many of the business leaders do not even start with business model, including me. When I started my business, I didn't know what was business model all about. And I'll share that story as well with you. It's a little funny story, but I've learned by hit and trial. So I think you are fortunate to be part with Intel University that you're getting such opportunities. So appreciate that. And thanks to Shilpi ma'am for the same. Okay, so the next person I see on my screen is Ishu Verma. Uh, could you please unmute yourself, Ishu, and maybe come on screen if possible?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Ishu.
Actually, sir, I just want to start my own company regarding to digital marketing, web development, etc. So I just want to
Very
know
nice.
about the business model.
Great, great. I think you are going to be into a very important field. This is one of the 7 digital skill sets which are going to be required for any business to be successful. And one of that is called as growth marketing or growth hacking. That is what something you should be looking at, and looking at more futuristic angle rather than just calling it as a digital marketing or something like that. We can discuss more about it, and in this workshop we will complete the business model canvas for you.
Okay, sir.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so the next person I see on my screen is Nirbhay. Nirbhay, are you there? आपके तो नाम में निर्भय है.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So could you share about your expectations from this workshop?
सर मुझे भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है। मेरे दिमाग में भी, मेरे ब्रेन में भी सर बहुत सारे आइडियाज है, थॉट्स है। और सर मैं फार्मा फील्ड से बिलोंग करता हूँ, तो मुझे भी मेरी मैन्युफैक्चर या होलसेल या रिटेल का सर थोड़ा जानना था मुझे।
ओके, सो जस्ट आई थिंक मैं एक चीज बता देता हूँ आप सबको कि लॉट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज आर आल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग because they don't understand their market very well. There are sometimes many of the industries. I recently connected, I was mentoring one of the manufacturing of a herbal product, and they have this, nutrition based products which they do the manufacturing as a third party. तो वो किसी दूसरी कंपनी के ब्रांड को चलाते हैं, उनका खुद का ब्रांड नहीं है. बट आज प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बिकॉज those brands have become so big, they are putting their own manufacturing industries and they are dying and they don't have the business at this point in time. So they are struggling. तो आज की डेट में जब भी आप कभी कोई भी बिजनेस करते हो तो सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है ब्रांड, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग, योर कंपनी ब्रांडिंग. द अनदर एस्पेक्ट विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज आप उसमें कितना इन्वॉल्व हो, आपका नाम कितना एसोसिएटेड है उस ब्रांड के साथ. So we will discuss few of these aspects. This workshop is not about sales and marketing, but if you guys want, I can set up another session on sales and marketing for you guys. But today we will understand what are the 4 pillars of business model and which you need to take care when you start a business. अगर आपको वो 4 pillars में या 7 sections में पूरा का पूरा opportunities available nahi hai, you're not clear what you are going to do, you will have some or the other problems into it. So I think the first thing first, let's understand what is the scope of the entire business model canvas today. Sure, Nirbhay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Shilpi, just let me know whenever the Vice Chancellor sir are his joining, so that I can start the session.
Uncle, you may start. Sir will join whenever he's free. So you may please continue. He is here only, but he'll join in sometime whenever he's free. You may please continue with the webinar.
Okay, fine. So I'll start the webinar then. I can see 14 or 15 people joining in right now. Is there anybody else joining in? Okay, so it doesn't look like. What I'll do is I'll stop this recording and start the fresh recording.